Today marks 20 years since Hurricane Katrina made landfall on the Gulf Coast, devastating Louisiana, Alabama, and Mississippi. That hurricane quickly became the costliest in our country's history.
Levee failures in New Orleans led to catastrophic flooding. Nearly 2,000 people died and forced hundreds of thousands more to leave their homes in the wake of the destruction. The federal government faced criticism over its response, especially over FEMA's lack of coordination and communication. The agency's former administrator, Deanne Criswell, told CNN some of the challenges they faced persist today.
And so while they are going to do their best, because that's what they do, they believe in the mission of helping people before, during, and after disasters, it's going to be slowed, it's going to be delayed, it's going to be uncoordinated because they don't have the same level of responsibility that they've had in the past, responsibility that was learned and gained over the last 20 years.